Hi all, so today we will be making a rotating display stand. So I have got this STL files from Thingiverse. So this is the top part, and upon this we place a 608 servo bearing. We just keep it on the top part and try pushing it inside. Then this is the internal components. So this is the motor driver, stepper motor driver, and this is the Arduino Uno, and here you can see the stepper motor. We fit the stepper motor to this location with 2 screws, and we print this gear and we push it. In the original files the gear is a bit tight, so we need to do some sanding. I'll be modifying the original files and placing it in the description section. The same goes with the these pins for the bearings. They are also a bit tight, as well as this pin also. I'll be modifying them and mentioning them in the comments or description section. So this is the main Arduino Uno. So we take this stepper motor wire and we attach it to this. Then we take 2 wires. One is for the positive, so the white wire is for the positive terminal and the black is for the negative terminal. Here you can see both positive and negative terminals, so we place white on the positive and black on the negative. We can get these jumper wires in local electronic store. And then in the Arduino Uno, here you can see ground. So for the ground section we place the black wire, and on the 5 volt section, here there will be a 5 volts pin. On that we place the white pin, the white wire for which the positive terminal. We place it on the 5 volt section. Then when it comes to the motor, here in the stepper motor driver, after there will be few pins present on the opposite side. So we'll take the 4 pins present on the stepper motor driver side, take any direction. So the first pin should be present on the D8 terminal. So the first pin, here you can see the brown cable. When we look at from this side, brown cable should be present on the D8 pin, and once it's present in the D8, then based on the sequence present here, red, orange, yellow, we same keep it here as well. Red, orange, yellow, that is D8, D9, D10 and D11. This last pin we don't use it. So once we keep it like this, all our connections are done. The only thing we need to do is we need to get a data transmission cable, that is a type C. The general data transfer without data transfer cables will not work, because for the first time you need to move the Arduino code to the Arduino. So for this purpose we place the data transfer cable. See, here is type C, so every Arduino Nano uses a type C. We connect it, and I have already moved the file prior to this, so I'll just attach it and I'll show you the working. So this is the bearing section, and this goes on top of this. You just put it on this one and we press it. And once it's done, we take the cable. This is after moving the code. Before moving the code, you need to use the same cable, plug it to the laptop, open the Arduino and send the code, and once the code is uploaded, then it will start working. After that you can remove it and generally plug it to any adapter or mobile charger, and it will keep on working. So once we place it here, we connect it to a source. For now I am connecting it to a laptop. As you can see, it started turning. Let me just show you with. We can increase the RPM of this. So in the code, this is now currently it's running at 300 RPM, we can move it to 400, 500, 600 based on our requirement. So in general 400 to 500 is good. I have kept it as 300 so that if I keep any large models or any sensitive models, they do not break. So this is the video. I'll share the code and the circuit diagram in the description section. Thank you.